Hello everyone, good afternoon all of you. How are you? I hope you all are fine. I am your Tazib sir and today I am going to teach you new exercise. So further we starting our exercise, further starting our session. Students, let's see here the today's quote. Okay, so students, today's quote is what? Now let's see here today's quote all students. Good quote today's, believe you can and you will. What? Believe you can means we can do. Okay, we have something you can do properly. Okay, you can do better, you can do it. Okay, so how can we speak? You can do properly, you can do it, and you will. Okay, believe in we and what we have a believe in you can and you will. Okay, I hope you all are understood. Now students, let's check here what we have done in the last session, what we have done in our previous sessions. I hope you all are understood. So students, revision. First of all, we always do the revision of last lecture. So yesterday we do the first revision, chapter number 3, multiplication. In exploring multiplication, what? I hope you all are know what is the exploring multiplication. We have explore a multiply, explore factors. Okay, then exercise number 3, what we are done in yesterday we have done exercise number 3, question number 1 only. Which exercise? Question number 1 and question number, we have done question number 1 or 2. Yesterday we have done what? Question number 1 and 2, build the 12 timetables using this idea and multiply by a factors. Okay, question number 1 is done that. Question number 2 is also done that time. So today we are going to learn again. Okay, new question. So now students, let's check here what we are going to learn today. Means today's content. So today's content, first of all, what we do always students, first of all we do the revision of all sessions, all lectures. So students, today we are first going to learn revision, then exploring multiplications further, then exercise number 3. Okay, yesterday we have done exercise number 3A. So students, today let's start the exercise number 3B. Understood? In exercise number 3B, which question? Question number 1 and question number 2. Question number 1 is what? Double the 7 times table to find this product. What? Double the 7 times table, find this product. What we have done yesterday? We have done yesterday how to do coupling number, means double numbers. How to make double number. 7 to 7 plus 7, so 14. As like that, 4 plus 4, 8. 2 plus 2, 4. Understood? 2 to the 4. Okay, as like that we are do this question number 1 and question number 2. What is the instructions here? Question number 1 is same. Okay, and question number 2 is the same. But there is a vast difference between tables. Here is 7 and here is 9. 7 timetables and here 9 timetables. So double that 7 timetables to find this product, and then double the 9 times tables to find this product. Got my point, all students? So students, let's start. We are do the revision of last sessions. So students, today we are going to learn our last revision of last sessions. Okay, so yesterday we have done exercise number 3, question number 2, multiply breaking up factors. So now let's see here today. Okay, what is the exercise number 3, question number 2, multiply breaking up factor? Is this what? Yesterday's revision. So students, first of all we do here the yesterday's revision, and then we are going on to our further exercise question. Understood? So first of all, always we revise the previous lectures revision, because of we remember what we have done in last sessions. Okay, how can we know? Understood? So as we know yesterday what we have done as, so now let's see here the example. See here the example means a revision. Example means what? A revision. Question number 2. Multiply by breaking up factor. Multiply by breaking up factor. Got my point, all students? Multiply by breaking up factor. So question number 1 we have done already. 6 8s are 6 8s are. If anyhow we know and anyhow we remember the table number 6 or 8, as per I told you, you must be learn the table in this also chapter. Okay, if you have a maths, do properly. Okay, if you solve all problems, so anyhow you remember, anyhow you keep it in your mind, what? Tables. So here students, table number 6 or table number 8, I hope you all are remember. 6 multiplied by 8, 6 8s are 48. Directly we are do the answer because of we all know 6 8s are 40. Or opposite side, how can we do? 8 6s are 6 8s are 48 and 8 6s are 48. Both side this is possible. 6 8s are 48 and 8 6s are 48. Got my point, all students? So now we move on question number B. What is question number B? 7 9s are. It's 7 tables. Okay, 7 times tables means table number 7. So table number 7 is, and then 7 9s are in table number 7. 7 9s are. So how many, all students? 7 9s are 63. 7 9s are 63 is equal to 7 9s are 63. The answer is what? 63. 7 9s are 63 and 9 7s are 63. Same answer. 9 7s are 63 and 7 9s are 63. Got my point, all students? This is your question number B is done here. Now we move on question number C. What is this question number C? Question number C is 15 multiplied by 5. 55s are 15 multiplied by 5. 15 5s are. So here is 3 digits. So one by one all digits multiply with each other. Okay, so one by one see here this one digit multiply with this both digit. So 5 5s are 5 5s are, all students, 5 and 5. Multiply 5 multiply by 5. So 5 5s are. See here first step is what? 5 5s are 25. So how can we write 25? 5 here and 2 as a form of the carry. And then after 5 multiply this 1. So 1 5s are or 5 1s. How many students? 5. 1 5s are 5. But count, don't forget to counting this carry. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 2, 6 or 7. So how can we write 7? Understood? How can comes is 7 here? We know, all students, 75. 15 5s are 75. Got my point, all students? 15 5s are 75. 15 5s are 75. First of all, 5 5s are 25. Then 1 5s are 5. And then 15 5s are 75. Understood? Now let's check here the question number D. What is the question number D? Question number D is 13 multiplied by 4. I hope you all are know, but we don't know the table number 13. So that's time. What can we do? That's time. One by one we do our sum. 4 multiplied by 3. 4 multiplied by 3 or 3 multiplied by 4 and then 1 multiplied by 4 or 4 multiplied by 1. Got my point? So one by one we do this all step. 4 multiplied by 3. 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12 is equal to 2 here and 1 as a form of carry. 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. So 4 3s are 12 is equal to 2 here and 1 carry. How can we write the 12? 4 3s are 12. So 2 here and 1 is a form of carry. Then after 1 4s are or 4 1s are. 4 1s are 4 and 1 4s are 4. Understood? So 4 plus, don't forget counting this carry, 4 plus 1. So 5. So here is 5. 5 plus 52. Okay. 4 plus 1 5. And answer is 52. The 34s are 52. 13 4s are 52. Understood, all students? 34s are 52. Now we move on. Next topic. What we have done this after after this complete this question, after complete this question, we are starting yesterday exploring multiplication further. What we have explored here? Exploring multiplication further. So now students, let's check here the exploring multiplication further, exploring multiplication further. So now let's check here what is a exploring multiplication further. In exploring multiplication, exactly is what? Multiplying by doubling. What? Multiply by doubling. Understood? So question is what? Multiply by doubling. So now let's check here, let's solve here the multiply by doubling. If you know the 4 times table, if you know the 4 times tables, you can work out 8 times tables by doubling. Okay, 4 plus 4, so how many? 8. Got my points? 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. It means what? Here what we have to do here? We have to do here doubling. What means we have to do a double number. 4 plus 4 is equal to 4 plus 4 is double, so 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. So if you know the 4 times tables, we know the table number 4, so we can work for the 8 time tables by doubling. How can is this possible? 7 4s are 23. Okay, 7 4s are 23. 7 4s are 23. So how can we write? So here 4, the 4 plus 8. Okay, and here how many we count? Double. Okay, how many we count? 23 plus 23, but we can do easily that time. Okay, got my points? If you know the 4 time tables, you can work out the 8 time tables by doubling. 7 multiplied by 4, 7 4s are 23, so 7 8s are 4 8. This is a difference, 7 and 8. Sorry, 4 and 8. 4 and 8, this is different. 4 and 8. Got my point, all students? 7 4s are 23, so 7 8s are 53. We don't plus with 23 plus 23. Okay, we don't plus 23 plus 23. Only we have these 4 times tables and 8 time tables. Got my point, all students? As like that we can do. Then now further, if you know the 8 time tables, first of all, what we know, we have learned, we know the 4 time tables, so we do the help of the 4 time tables to do so the solve 8. Okay, so if we got the table number 8, so if you know the 8 time tables, so you can easily multiply by 16 as double of 8. See, 8 plus 8, how many, students? Do with your finger. 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. How many, all students? 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. That's why 1 multiplied by 8. 1 multiplied by 8 is equal to how many? 8. 1 8s are 8. So 1 16s are 16. Okay, 8 here and here 16. 8 multiplied by 8. 8 plus 8. Okay, so 8 plus 8, so how many, all students? 16. 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. Got my point, all students? 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. So 1 16s are 16, and now here also same, 2 8s are 16. 2 multiplied by 8, 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16 is equal to what? 2 8s are 16 is equal to 16. Then after here 2 multiplied by 16. Okay, so what? 16 means 2, double of 8. Here 6, here 6, here 8 and here 16. 8 and 16. Here 8 is as it is table number of 8, and here double of 8. 8 plus 8 16. Got my point, all students? Multiply by doubling. Again I am repeating you here, students. Multiply by doubling. If you know that the 4 times tables, you can work out 8 times tables by doubling. 7 multiplied by 4 is equal to 23. So 7 into 8. Okay, here is 4 and 4 is double what? 8. 4 double is 8. So 7 4s are 23. So 7 8s are 56. Got my point, all students? 7 4s are 23. So 7 8s are 56. Understood? As like that we know about the any tables, so we double with a method of multiply by doubling we can got the next table. Understood? Now see this. If you know the 8 time tables, what if you know the 8 time table 8 timetables, you can easily multiply 8 timetables, you can easily multiply by what? Easily multiply by 60, as double of 8 is 16. If you know the 8 times tables, you can easily multiply by 16, as the double of 8 is 16. 8 plus 8, how many all students? Because of yesterday we only know this read and shortly I was teach you. Okay, I was teach you, but today we are going to learn briefly. Okay, as a double of 8 is 16. So how 8 plus 8, how many are students? 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. 1 8 za 8. Okay, 1 8 za 8. So 1 8 za 8. 1 8 za 8. Okay, so what is the double of 8? 16. 8 plus 8 16. The 116 za. Okay, 16 1 za or 116 za 16. Got my point? As like that say 2 8 za 16. So then here 2 16 za 32. Got my points all students? As like that we are going to learn what? We are going to learn what all students? A doubling of 8. Understood? Now see here again, what? If you know the 8 time tables, you can easily multiply by 16, as the double of 8 is 16. 1 8 za 8. So 1 16 za 16 and 2 8 za 16. 2 8 za 16 is equal to 2 8. Okay, so 2 8 za 16. So 32. Here what? See different. What is the vast difference between both? 2 8 za 16 and here 2 16 za 32. Okay, 2 8 za 16 and 2 16 za 32. Got my point all students? This is your question. This is your multiply by doubling. Here is your done is which topic? Which topic all students? Multiply by doubling. I hope you all are know what is a multiply by doubling, and I hope you now learn a multiply by doubling. So students, I hope you able to do this all question. Understood? Now we move on further. So let's start the exercise number 3rd. Okay, yesterday what we have done? Exercise number 3rd. Yesterday we have done exercise number 3rd. Students, now we are going to learn exercise number 3rd, question number 1. Exercise number 3rd, question number 1. Exercise number 3rd, in question number 1 is what? Double the 7 times tables to find this product. What is the product? We easily know product is, we do the multiply and got the answer, it's called a product. So the double the 7 times table, double the 7 time tables to find this product. Okay, so double the 7 time tables. 7 time tables double means 7 plus 7. So we have to do here, apply this further. 7 plus 7, so how many students? 40. So as a product we are here apply the table number 7 and do the double number. Multiply by doubling means do here what we do here? As double of 7. What is the double of 7? 7 plus 7. Do with your finger, count with your fingers. 7 plus 7. 7 plus 7. How many whole students? 7 plus 7. 14. So now let's start here the exercise number 3rd, question number 1. Double the 7 time tables to find this product, and it's question number A. So students, let's start here the question number 1. but you don't forget we are starting here the exercise number 3rd B, question number 1. Okay, put the heading exercise number 3rd B, write the question name, question number 1, and its instructions. Double the 7 timetables to find this product in your fair book, and then you students write the question A, B, C or D, and then E. Got my point, all students? So now students, example number 1. What is example number 1? Let's check here. Example number, sorry, question number 1, not here, example, question. What is here? Question number 1, 4 multiplied by 14. So what we have write here? 4 multiplied by 14. So 7 is double of, what is the, how many double of 7? Double of 7 is 14. Double of 7 is 14. Understood, all students? Double of 14. Okay, 7 is double of 14. Again and again I am repeating. So 14 multiplied by 4 or 4 multiplied by 14. So 14 fours are, we don't know answer of 14 fours are. So one by one we solve the all step. What? One by one we solve the all step. First of all 4 multiplied by 4, then 4 multiplied by 1. So let's start here the solving the sum. 4 fours are. 4 fours, how many all students? I hope you remember the old tables. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16. Understood? I am repeating you again. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, and 4 fours are 16. So how can we write 16? 6 here and 1 as a form of carry. 4 fours are 16. 6 here and 1 as a form of carry. Then after 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4, and count this 1. 4 plus this carry 1, 5. 4 plus 1, 5. So answer is what? 56. 14 multiplied by 4 is equal to 56. Answer is what we got here? We got here 40 multiplied by 4 is equal to 56. 14 fours are 56. Understood? Now students, we move on question number B. Question number B is what, all students? Question number B is 14 5s. First of all we solve the what? Before we solve the question number B, before we solve question number A. But in question number 4 is what? 14 4s, and here what? Difference 14 5s. Table same. Okay, here, but why is table same? Why here is only 40 come? Because of here instructions of what? Double the 7 table times tables. It means here the double of 7 what? 14. So 14 4s are first, then 45s are, then after 14 6s are, and then after 48s are, and then 43s are. One by one we are do all sum. So here students 45s are. How can we solve here? 14 5s are. 14 5s are. So one by one we solve the all question. So here students 4 5s are. One by one 4 5s are and 5 1s are. Okay, 5 1s are 5, and here 4 5s are or 5 1s are. So 4 5s how many all students? 5 4s are. 4 5s how many? I hope you all are. No, 4 1s are 4. Sorry, 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15, and 5 4s are 5 4s are how many? 20. So how can we write all students 20? 20 write as like that. 0 here and 2 as a form of carry. So 4 5s are 20 as 4 5s are 22 here and 0. Then 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5, and don't forget this count to a carry as a form of the carry. So 5 1s are 5. Understood? 5 1s are 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 how many? 7. So 14 5s are 17. 14 5s are how many all students? 14 5s are 17. Got my point all students? 14 5s are 17. 14 5s are 17. Understood? So now let's move on. Solve the question number C. What is the question number C? I am repeating you here. 14 6 are. What I am told you all students? What we are do here? We are do here the double 7 table number 7, and it's a double. Okay, what can we do here? Double the 7 time tables to find this product. So what is the double of 7? The double of 7 is what? 14. What? 14. 7 plus 7 is equal to how many, all students? 14. 7 plus 7, how many? 14. Got my point, all students? So here 14 6. First of all, what we have done? 14 4s are 56, 14 5s are 17, and then now 14 6. So 14 6 are 84. So now let's check how can we all sum as like that, one by one all step, multiply by with each other. 6 4s are okay, otherwise 4 6 are okay, 4 6 are otherwise 6 4s are 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, and 6 4s are what? 24. Again I am repeating you, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, and 6 4s are 24. Got my point? So how can we write the 24, all students? 4 here and 2 as a form of carry. 2 as a form of the carry. Got my point, all students? 2 as a form of the carry. So 4 6 are 24. 4 here and 2 carry. Then after 6 1s are 6. 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 7 and 8. So here is 8. So answer is what? 7 6 14 6 are 84. 14 6 are 84. So we write as like that, 14 multiplied by 6. 14 6 are 84. Got my point, all students? 14 6 are 84. Is this your question number C? Now let's start the solving this question number D. What is the question number D? 14 8s. How can we solve the 14 8s? 14 8s, students, 4 8s, 8 4s, how many? 32. Okay, 8 4s 32, 8 1s 8, 8 2s 16, 8 2s 16, 8 3s what? 24, and 8 3s 24, and then further 8 4s 30. So students, 8 4s 32. So we write as like that, 2 here and 3 as a form of the carry, 2 here and as a form of 3. Okay, so 4 8s 32. So 2 here and 3 in form of carry. So 8 1s, and then further 8 multiplied by 1. 8 1s 8. 8 plus 3. How many? 11. So I am right here 11. So answer is what, all students? 112. 14 8s 100 and 14 8s 112. Understood? 14 8s how many, all students? 112. Got my point, all students? Then now last question, question number E. Question number E is a last question of this question. Okay, so question number 1 is 14 3s. So we don't know, so what can we do here? 4 3s, 4 1s 4, 4 2s 8, and 4 3s 12. So 2 here and 1 as a form of the carry. Then after 3 1s 3. What? 3 1s 3, and count this one carry. Okay, the 3 plus 1, how many, all students? 4. So 3 plus 1 4. Answer is what we got? Answer is 42. So 43 multiplied by 40 not a 43, 14 multiplied by 3. 14 multiplied by 3 is equal to 42. As like that, 43s are 42. 14 3s are 42. Understood? 14 multiplied by 3 is equal to 42. So 1 by, okay, first of all what we have done, 44s are 56, then after 45s are 70, 46 are 84, and 14 8s are 112, and 43s are 42. Understood, all students? This is your question number 1. double the 7 timetables to find this product. Okay, now next question is double the 9 timetables and find this product. But tomorrow we are going to learn this question. Okay, I hope you all are understood, all students. Thank you so much, all students.